What's up, students? My name is Arun Shaha and I am back with another video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit the red button and subscribe to my channel. Whenever I upload my next video, you will get an automatic information. Today, we will discuss a very important thing. It's very important for the students of ICSE and ISC, that is transformation of sentences. Since it's a vast chapter, we have divided the lesson into three parts or three segments. So today we will learn the first chapter, transformation of sentences, part 1. Now, in ICSE paper, you will see your grammar section is divided into 4 exercises or 4 parts. Part 1, fill in the blanks with correct forms of the verbs given in bracket. Then second is fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Next is joining of sentences, and number 4 is transformation of sentences. Now, students sometimes can't understand how to change one sentence or how to change a sentence from one form to another without changing its meaning. So what happens? Sometimes you change the sentence and the meaning is also changed. Sometimes you try to keep the meaning intact and the change of the sentence becomes wrong. So you have to know the technique of changing a sentence from one type to another without changing its meanings. Now, no matter how many papers you solve before your board exam, last 5 years, or for that matter last 8 years, you will not get any common sentences because sentences are not repeated. So what you have to do, you have to know a few rules and regulations, certain rules and regulations, some methods of how to change a sentence from one type to another type without changing the meaning. You will be given 8 sentences and instruction will be written beside each sentence. Okay, so you have to read the instruction very carefully and then change the sentence according to the instruction once again without changing its meaning. So we will learn the rules and regulations. Now, rule number 1. Today we are learning how to change the affirmative sentences to negative sentences, because if you change the affirmative sentences to negative sentences, there also you will get 6 basic rules. 6 basic rules are given. Sometimes a sentence is given, in the bracket it is written replace only with none but. Sometimes sentences are given, in the bracket it is written use cannot but, use not only but also, remove no sooner, use as soon as or begin with as soon as, replace and with not only but also. These all are the rules of changing a sentence from affirmative to negative. So we will learn the first rule. If in a sentence only, alone, merely, these 3 words are used, you have to replace them with none but if it is a person, nothing but if it is a thing. Look at my first example. Only Nikhil has passed the test. So you have to replace only with none but, because Nikhil is a person. So the answer will be none but Nikhil has passed the test. Next sentence. He has only a pencil. You have to change only with none, only with nothing but, because a pencil is a thing. So he has only a pencil, it will be changed into he has nothing but a pencil. Number 2. If in the sentence must is used, you have to change it with cannot but. You can also change it with cannot help. Then you have to use the ing form of the verb. Let's look at the example. We must obey our parents. It will be changed into, here must is replaced by cannot. Look at the sentence. We must obey our parents. Here I have replaced must with cannot but. So we cannot but obey our parents, or we may use we cannot help obeying our parents. If you write cannot but, then you will put the verb which is given in the sentence. We must obey our parents will be changed into we cannot but obey our parents. But if you want to use we cannot help, then after help the ing form of the verb given will be used. Next, sometimes in a sentence a pair of words are used, that is both and. So whenever you see in a sentence both and are used, you have to replace both and with not only but also. Look at the example. Both Smith and Stuart came to the party. So both Smith and Stuart came to the party. Here look at the sentence. Both and, these two words are used. How will you change the sentence into negative? Not only Smith but also Stuart came to the party. So how did you change the sentence? In the given sentence, both and are replaced by not only but also. Next, if two words are joined by an, then you have to remove the and use not only but also. Look at the example. Madhu is obedient and gentle. So Madhu is obedient and gentle. Here both the words obedient and gentle are joined by and. Obedient and gentle are joined by an. So to replace and, you have to use not only but also. How will you use? Madhu is not only, then the first word obedient, after that you put but also, and the second word gentle. Next, if this is very very important, students make mistake, I am trying to remove your confusion. Look at rule number 5. As soon as should be replaced by no sooner than. But how will you replace that? First look at the question. As soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. So the sentence is, as soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. The answer will be, you have to begin the sentence with no sooner, and after no sooner you must put had. So as soon as is replaced by no sooner, and after that you will put had. Then you will write the sentence according to the question, the thief. Then since you have used had, that is why you have to use the third form of the verb given. The verb given is saw. Since you have used had, you have to use the third form of the verb, which is seen. Then you have to finish the sentence. No sooner had the thief seen the police, he ran away, and don't put any comma between the sentence, between the two parts of the sentence. Now number 6. To should be replaced by so that. Now if to is used in a sentence, again a pair of words, when we make it negative, we have to use so that. Then only we can use the negative. Now to and to is used in the sentence. Sanjay is too weak to walk. What does it mean? Sanjay is too weak to walk means Sanjay is so weak. Sanjay is too weak to walk means Sanjay is so weak that he is unable to walk. He can't walk. So how you have to replace the sentence? Look at the technique. Sanjay is too weak to walk. We must remove both the to and will replace it with so and that. Sanjay is so weak that, now after that we have to use the negative. He cannot walk. Sanjay is too weak to walk will be changed into Sanjay is so weak that he cannot walk. So have a look at the sentence carefully. Sanjay is so weak. First to is replaced by so, then the to will be replaced by negative, cannot walk. So we must give a revision, we must revise what we have learned. Those who want to write down the formulas and examples, please do that. Once you write down all the formulas and all the examples, especially the formulas, you have to memorize the formulas, you have to understand and memorize all the formulas. Then with a certain amount of practice, with repetition, I think you can remember all these things. And if you apply the formulas, I don't think transformation of sentences will be difficult for you. It will no longer become difficult for you if you use these formulas. You have to understand how, which words have been changed and which other changes are taking place in the sentence. I hope this video is helpful for you, this information is helpful for you. If you find this video informative and helpful, please give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, because I will make very soon, I will make another video on transformation of sentences part 2 and transformation of sentences part 3. There you will get to know each and every method of changing one sentence to the other: simple, compound, complex, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, each and every rules and regulations of transformation of sentences, which will help you to score well in ICSE and ISC exams. So please like my video and share with your friends, because they might be needing this. Once you finish watching the video, give me like, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and ask your friends to do so. Very soon I will be back with my next video, that is transformation of sentences 2. Till then, peace.